Good morning, guys! Check out this view! So we're just gonna get ready for breakfast. We've been eating a lot here, right, Goody? Okay, she just woke up. Oh my god, this I think it's a runway. Why were you late, Josh?
Got up, had to take a... It's okay.
Number 2.
For the camera.
I dried them.
Are we going green?
Yep.
So can I go on extra? That's another resort. We spot all the tiny friends. They're on the beach because the gym is full. What do you like about croissants?
Buttery and nice. Very nice.
Show me a croissant. How does it look like?
It's too oily to hold. I mean buttery.
But it's nice.
Shing. Shing. It's layers of something.
Wow, and what are these sauces really?
Marmalade, orange marmalade, passion fruit, and raspberry jam.
Okay, enjoy. Green tea. Green tea what bowl really?
Chia seed.
Chia seed. This is the bliss smoothie bowl with dragon fruit. Okay. Really someone packed it.
How was the oats?
Okay, trying to get into these hotel rooms. Oh no, sir. That's why you can't keep your doors open. Where you going, little one? Last day here, and my sister and I are going down to the beach to get her shirt because she left it there. Hibiscus, and the roots actually go backwards or their trunks go forward, and that's to make sure they have enough stability.
Why is my face like that?
Alrighty, finished taking the pictures. She is happy, right, Goody? No, right, she's not happy. Okay. So that's the end of our trip, guys. Hope you enjoy